Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a fun video. It's going to be another hair review. We are talking about Isee hair today. I have a 26-inch Mongolian curly water wave wig. It is a 13x4 lace front wig. I haven't used this got to be glue on my wigs in forever. I forgot why I didn't like it, so I'm actually gonna try it now and see, remind myself why I didn't like it. I use the white glue, but I don't really use it to do this to secure the lace. I think I'm gonna put hairspray also. This might be a very bad idea. We gonna find out today. Okay, see, I don't like all this lace. That's why I cut the lace. What is it doing there? It's not necessary. Why are we keeping it there? Can somebody explain that to me? You don't need that much lace on the wig to put it on. I don't know about this gel method. So I managed to get her secured. I don't know why I was struggling so much, but we're in this room now. So I'm gonna be removing the excess hairspray and gel from the wig. I don't like a lot of baby hairs, so I like as little baby hairs as possible. guys, I'm just a middle part kind of girl. I was struggling with the styling. I did try to do something different today. And anyways, we got here in the end, so that's all that really matters. And yes, I did bleach my knots on this wig. Right off the bat, I could tell that this was some good hair. So right now I am thinking like this is definitely top quality hair. I would definitely say this is worth the money, you guys. You guys should definitely check them out. Super cute, super full, and it is such soft hair. And I'm gonna dry it a bit so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is her mostly dry. It is still a little damp in some spots, but oh my god, is this hair ever beautiful. You guys, look at it. Super big and super bouncy. I'm definitely here for it. I think you guys should definitely check them out, and if you want to know more about this wig, I'm gonna leave all that in the description box for you guys. I'm loving it. It's so soft. Some of the softest curly hair. It's definitely of quality. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section. If you just want to say what's up, that's cool too. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.